So what are some of the common missteps organizations make when creating integrations and API roadmaps?
Yeah, I think creating a silo or unknowingly creating a silo between here's our product roadmap and then here's our integration / partner roadmap. I know there's a lot of LinkedIn chatter about this recently too, like making this an ecosystem roadmap, but I think that's one. And another one is potentially biting off more than you can chew. Like I know, kind of going back to the previous question, how do you make sure that the partners feel supported? Like, are they going to be aware of the next release coming up? I can call out NetSuite as an example. Like they have a very robust process in being a part of their, being a part of their ecosystem. They have a lot of resources behind that. And to even get into their program is pretty tough. Like you have to go through a pretty lengthy vetting process to even get in that. So that's like, understanding if you're going to go down the path of building a marketplace or being really robust with public APIs, what's all the other staffing that you need, and don't try to do all of it at once. I think India said it earlier, like find a few customers that are going to be like your shining examples first before you scale it out.
I can say from perspective, building an API, getting real tactical, API stability. If you're building an API, please make it stable. You can't change it. You'll never get anybody off an old API that you've shipped. I've seen it happen. I've been at Sugar 10 years and we've been trying to kill some APIs the whole time I've been there. It's never going to happen. So I think you can't neglect stability. So you have to be really careful about what you decide to publish as your public API. And I think what goes along with that is, kind of near and dear to my heart is developer relations, making sure that you are proactive in communicating about changes, because sometimes change is necessary. You got to evolve. And, we have a robust program at Sugar where we do quarterly developer webinars. We have a release preview program. We have, newsletters and a blog and a dev community and stuff that it's all sort of supported through kind of a developer advocacy function. And without that, like our API would just, people wouldn't be successful and our partners wouldn't be successful.
Rate limiting is a thing. I feel like people often forget. We run into this a lot. India, did you have something to add?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest pitfalls is being so focused on launching a product and not thinking about that ongoing roadmap, the ongoing need for improvement. You have to make sure that you, as a product org and an engineering org, are really thinking about the ongoing success of your customer. You're not just thinking about getting something out to the market. And I think within APIs, I completely agree with you, Matt. Deprecating something once it's out there is just not, it's going to be a very, very long process. And so especially within the API space, because you have partners who are depending on this for the product that they are building, they're relying on you. You have to make sure that it's stable and it's going to be maintained. And taking that customer feedback and owning that responsibility is so core, so critical to your success. And have a plan for scalability, because what scalability means always changes. It keeps getting bigger.